Jeff Wallace's 1976 Chevrolet C10 Bonanza is the ultimate dream rig, built to tackle life's rough patches with style. Hailing from Vancouver, Washington, Jeff is a state trooper by trade and a proud member of the C10 Club Nomads. With the unwavering support of his wife Bonnie, Jeff poured a year and nearly $55,000 into transforming this old-school hauler into a head-turning street beast. The truck's exterior keeps it classic with some clever upgrades. Originally a long bed, the truck now rocks a short bed, giving it a tighter, sportier profile. Slosh Tubbs front fenders were added for clearance, and high-performance headlights from LMC Truck light up the night. Cody Byron, aka Cody Rocco, handled all the paint and bodywork, blending the new bed perfectly with the original panels and spraying it in a rich spring green from Limco. The natural Bonanza vibe stays alive, but with just the right modern edge. Under the hood, this C10 flexes with a 2007 5.3-liter LM7 LS engine, fully rebuilt by EFI Solutions in Vancouver. This bad boy packs LS connecting rods, flat-top pistons, and a BTR Truck Norris camshaft, plus LS1 heads for added flow. With FlowTech shorty headers, a 2.5-inch MagnaFlow exhaust, and a custom wiring harness, the engine roars to life with ease thanks to EFI Solutions' fuel injection system. Power hits the pavement through a 4L60E transmission from a 2002 Chevy truck that is outfitted with a Beast Sun shell, Corvette servo, and a trans shift kit. A new 2-piece drive shaft from i5 driveline hooks up to a Chevy 12-bolt rear axle. Wilwood disc brakes on all four corners, paired with a Speedway Motors master cylinder, bring everything to a halt in style. The chassis is where this build shines. Jeff went with a Choppin block Extreme Air chassis, slammed on Slam Specialties airbags with AccuAir management. Rack and pinion steering and splined sway bars dial in the handling, while Corsart Kingpin wheels, 22 by 10.5 in the rear and 22 by 8.5 up front, wrapped in Pirelli P0 rubber, give it a killer stance. Inside, Jeff worked with Phil Cato in Salt Lake City to create a custom bench seat using the original frame. Dakota digital VHX gauges, an NK1 steering wheel, and retro sound stereo keep it stylish and functional. Custom door panels and Bonanza emblems tie it all together, while a CTP ashtray neatly holds the AccuAir touchpad. Jeff's future plans include shaving the passenger firewall, adding coilovers, and spraying the firewall in matching spring green. For Jeff, this build has been a labor of love, proving that even a tough cop can have a soft spot for an old truck.